Now, this segment is especially for farm life. Farm life. When we talk of farm, you know what farm means. Farm life. And
Yes.
you see, this is Farm Life magazine. So, this segment we are going to review the Farm Life magazine, the one that I'm holding. What is this Farm Life all about? It's about agriculture. It's about producing food. It's about killing hunger in the community. Now, how do we start? You know that when you talk of food production, the first thing you need is land where you are going to cultivate, you know. And these people, they are very, very concerned about
Food security. Yeah.
which this government too is also very, very concerned about. So all we want you to do is just be with us on this segment and you're going to enjoy it.
Ẹ̀yin wa nínú ilé tẹ́ bá ti rí ẹ rí pé lóyìn ládùn tún pàwọ̀dà àgbẹ̀ sí ayé oko farm life ayé oko kí la ayé oko ayé àgbẹ̀ kí ni ayé àgbẹ̀ iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ gangan tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó di dandan ká mà nílẹ̀ o àwọn tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa farm life yìí wọ́n wá sọ pé tá a bá fẹ́ wo ayé oko ó di dandan kéèyàn nílẹ̀ nítorí pé oúnjẹ ṣe pàtàkì oúnjẹ ṣe kókó ìyẹn gangan ló mú wọn ní òkúkúdùn tó fi wá kúkú ṣèwé pé ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa oko ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àgbẹ̀ ká sọ̀rọ̀ wípé kí ni ìwọ gan tí o lè ṣe láti rí pé oúnjẹ ó tó ó tún ṣẹ́kù fún gbogbo wa.
Yes, and this Farm Life magazine, the editor-in-chief, Mr. Babajide Akinseye. Let me just take the editorial notes. Say, as Nigeria, the world grapple with the looming threat of food insecurity, it's imperative to refocus its attention on the agricultural sector, a vital lifeline for humanity's survival. The pressing issues of climate change, insecurity, and inadequate youth involvement in Africa demand a renewed global narrative, one that prioritizes farming and agriculture and essential to our collective future. In Nigeria, the challenges are multifaceted: insecurity, climate change, farmer health crisis, and inconsistent policy formulation have hindered agricultural growth and development. Despite efforts, policy inconsistency remains a significant obstacle. Meanwhile, the Nigerian media landscape has fallen short in telling agricultural stories that captivate and inform citizens, failing spark meaningful interest in the sector. This is where Farm Life magazine steps in to bridge the gap and reframe the conversation around agriculture. Their mission is to provide insightful, engaging stories that showcase the importance of agriculture, highlight innovative solutions, and inspire a new generation of farmers, policy makers, and citizens to prioritize food security and sustainable agricultural practices. By doing so, we aim, that is the Farm Life, aim to contribute to a more food secure future for Nigeria and beyond.
Yes, that's what Mr. Babajide Akinseye is trying to do, is to shine spotlight on underreported agricultural news, so that people will know how we are concerning the agriculture. Farm life is about making sure that everybody are involved in food security, making sure that we know what is going on in agricultural sector, so that you and me can know what to do. All of us can be farmer. Farming started from subsistence farming.
Yes.
It started from maybe our forefathers, where they are trying to pick fruits from their subsistence, and then from there to this modern day technological farming. And what they are now trying to do is, okay, in this modern day, at the backyard, your backyard, you can have farm. Even nearer your sides of your house, you can have farm. Yes. You can put sand in a sack and plant something, and it will grow.
Yeah.
So
okay, let's now have a break. What are we going to bring to you? You know, we are talking and talking and talking. Now, this season, the season of yam, new yam festival. Okay, let's have a break. Let's see this new yam festival, how it went.
Live TV, and we are at the palace of Alawowo of Awowo for the cultural festival of Ifa celebration. Awowo is a community located around Abeokuta, and then there is a special activity that is going on today. So anywhere from now, the Oba will be coming out, Oba Abdugafaro Olasukomi, to cheer up the occasion. So in the meantime, we shall be interviewing dignitaries around to know the importance and significance of this great occasion.
Ìṣẹ̀ṣe là ń ṣe lọ́jọ́ tòní, èyí tó ṣe pàtàkì, tó ṣe kókó lórí gbọ́nmẹ́rin gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe là ń ṣe ọdún Ìṣù. Tẹ́ bá ṣàkíyèsí, ẹ rí pé a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bọ Ọbàtálá tán ni. Ọdún Ìṣù là ń ṣe lénìí. Òun ló bí Ọbàtálá tá a jíbọ̀ láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù kóòrùn tó yọ lọ́jọ́ tóní. Ní àsìkò tá a wà yìí, ọdún Iṣu ló kàn, òun la ṣe ń ṣe ọdún Iṣu lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Bá a ti ń ṣe lọ́dọọdún nìyẹn, k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká ṣe pẹ́, kí tèmi má já ṣe mọ́.
Ẹ̀yin lẹni kí n máa wí kó máa dàṣẹ, tí mo tún sọ láàárọ̀ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ kó dàṣẹ. Látọ̀dún yìí báyìí màá látọ̀dún tó ń bọ̀.
Alala ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀ o, ọ̀làlà ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀ ṣọdún ọdún yìí àtúnṣe mi. Ọ̀làlà ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀, ọ̀làlà ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀ o, ọ̀làlà ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀ ṣọdún ọdún yìí àtúnṣe mi. Ọ̀làlà ìwọ́láwo ọbẹ̀.
Okay, hope you enjoyed the Yam.
first.
Have you been eating yam? New yam?
Àwa tí ń jẹ torí wọ́n ti ṣọdún yan káàkiri wọ́n ti ṣọdún iṣu ńlẹ̀ ní àìmọye bí ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá àti ń jẹ iṣu tuntun.
Iṣu tuntun. Okay, we are still on Farm Life and we are revealing the Farm Life magazine. So where I want us to someone called when during the break time.
Mr. Adebayo
from Orile.
Yes, Mr. Adebayo asked
where they can get the magazine.
So what we told Mr. Adebayo, if you want to get the magazine, you can come to NTA Lagos Channel 10 on Sunday. Next Sunday you can come. So in the morning by 9 a.m. you can come. You get the magazine. And Mr. Adebayo also asked, do they have farmland?
Of course they have.
For both land and farm and resorts.
Both.
Then we said they have for both. When you come, we'll tell you more.
Okay. Okay, now let's just quickly look at this agric minister fully backs youth and women in agriculture. You know, youth, they still have power.
Yeah.
And it's not just the local one. This is a mechanized farming. So you can go into mechanized farming. And they said by engaging youths in agriculture, Nigeria can revitalize the sector, drive economic growth, and ensure a food secure future.
Yeah.
Which is very, very
what they are trying to really say there is, if you look at agriculture, that has been our backbone before. Even all the youths engage in it. So the minister is now trying to drive out that let youths engage again. There is employment. Not that there is no employment.
Yeah.
Agricultural employment we can do and then ensure that there is food security if all our youth try to engage in agriculture.
Well, you know, don't worry. This is just the beginning of this segment, that is Farm Life. It's going to continue. We are going to continue next week from where we stop from, because it's a very, very vital issue, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this segment. You're going to gain, not even enjoy it, you are going to gain how you yourself, how you can be a good farmer, how you can produce, you know, food for yourself, and even, you know, get involved in the food production, selling and making your own money. Understand?
Yes. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ̀yin wa nínú ilé iṣẹ́ rí láti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ bá ṣe ń sọ lóyìnbó la máa sọ Yorùbá torí lóyìn ládùn ètò tiwa. A máa sọ Yorùbá. Kókó nǹkan tí a fẹ́ máa sọ ni pé àkọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe lè dàgbẹ̀. Àkọ́ yín bó ṣe jẹ́ pé nínú kọ̀rọ̀ yàrá yín ẹ lè gbé nǹkan. Lọ́sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ a tún máa mú ọ̀rọ̀ nípa farm life a tún máa mú wá fún yín.